Play badminton.
Play badminton.
I play badminton with my friends on weekends.
I play badminton with my friends on weekends.
Listen to music.
Listen to music.
I listen to music while doing my homework.
I listen to music while doing my homework.
Clean the house.
Clean the house.
We clean the house every Saturday morning.
We clean the house every Saturday morning.
Do the laundry.
Do the laundry.
I put my clothes in the washing machine every day.
I put my clothes in the washing machine every day.
Hang out the clothes.
Hang out the clothes.
I hang out the clothes in the sunshine.
I hang out the clothes in the sunshine.
Fold the clothes.
Fold the clothes.
I fold the clothes after they are dry.
I fold the clothes after they are dry.
Iron the clothes.
Iron the clothes.
I iron my shirt before work.
I iron my shirt before work.
Water the plants.
Water the plants.
I water the plants every evening.
I water the plants every evening.
Go to the supermarket.
Go to the supermarket.
I go to the supermarket to buy groceries.
I go to the supermarket to buy groceries.
Go shopping.
Go shopping.
I go shopping with my friends on Saturday afternoon.
I go shopping with my friends on Saturday afternoon.
Take a shower.
Take a shower.
I take a shower after exercising.
I take a shower after exercising.
Wash my hair.
Wash my hair.
I wash my hair every 2 days.
I wash my hair every 2 days.
Blow dry my hair.
Blow dry my hair.
I blow dry my hair after washing it.
I blow dry my hair after washing it.
Prepare dinner.
Prepare dinner.
I prepare dinner for my family.
I prepare dinner for my family.
Have dinner.
Have dinner.
We have dinner together at 7 p.m.
We have dinner together at 7 p.m.
Wash the dishes.
Wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes after dinner.
I wash the dishes after dinner.
Watch TV.
Watch TV.
I watch music shows on TV for an hour before bed.
I watch music shows on TV for an hour before bed.
Read a book.
Read a book.
I read a book on my bed for 30 minutes every night.
I read a book on my bed for 30 minutes every night.
Go to bed.
Go to bed.
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to support us. Your support helps us make more fun videos.